Welcome to Villegas Patterns. In this video, I will show you how to finish your seams with the Hong Kong or bound finish. A Hong Kong finish grabs the raw edges of the garment with bias tape. This technique is used for a polished look, especially when the garments don't have linings. First, place your bias tape on the seam, right sides together with the raw edges lined up, and pin the tape in place. Check out my YouTube channel to learn how to make your own bias tape. It's important not to stretch the tape as you stitch. Now you need to sew the tape in place. Before sewing, move your garment to the side so you're only stitching through the seam allowance. Place the seam under the presser foot and sew all the way down, 0.5 cm from the raw edge. Cut off the rest of the bias. Turn the bias to the right and press. Then, grab the bias around the raw edge and pin. The correct way to do the Hong Kong seams is to secure the bias with a few hand stitches. I will do some hand basting to show you how it is done. In reality, I don't do the hand basting. I help the bias by staying in place with the pins and with my fingers. This will save you a lot of time, especially if you have very long seams. Feel free to choose the way you feel more confident. To secure the Hong Kong seam, you need to use a technique called stitching in the ditch. Place the right side of the fabric up and stitch on the seam line. This makes the stitches invisible. Finally, trim any excess bias. Be careful during this step. And now you have your perfect Hong Kong seam.